Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open a fridge, but be warned, it's dangerous. So first, let me explain what a fridge is. A refrigerator is a highly engineered thermodynamic system designed for the long-term maintenance of a reduced temperature regime within a thermally insulated chamber. This device operates on the basis of a vapor compression cycle, which is a practical implementation of the reverse Carnot cycle, taking into account engineering assumptions and limitations. The primary working medium, the refrigerant, circulates through a sealed closed loop, where during evaporation at reduced pressure, it absorbs thermal energy from the refrigerated volume, the evaporator, and is then subjected to adiabatic compression by the compressor, transitioning into a high-energy state. It subsequently undergoes condensation in the heat-dissipating section, the condenser, releasing heat into the surrounding environment. The systemic architecture of a refrigerator includes a compressor that provides the kinetic and thermodynamic circulation of the refrigerant, a throttling device that regulates pressure and flow rate, heat exchangers, evaporator and condenser, as well as a thermally insulated housing that minimizes energy losses. In many modern models, intelligent control systems based on microprocessors and temperature sensors are also employed, optimizing operational parameters in real time. Thus, a refrigerator is a cyber-physical system that transforms electrical energy into the maintenance of a non-equilibrium thermodynamic state, with the purpose of inhibiting microbiological and biochemical reactions. I think I've told you everything about the refrigerator, but before I open it, I want to say that this is extremely dangerous. 90% of people died when trying to open it. Here's how to open it.